Nissan becomes the latest automaker to announce an extension on free and paid services offered to its customers in India. The decision has been made by the brand to extend the validity period due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic in the country. According to a social post by the brand on its official handle, all services have been extended by 2 months. This includes standard warranty, free service, extended warranty, and the brand's paid maintenance packages called the Nissan Promise. The Nissan Promise package includes prepaid maintenance packages, extended warranty, and roadside assistance service offered to customers in the country. Seems like the validity period has been increased to July 31st, 2021. The social post from Nissan India said, a majority of the states and cities have announced a lockdown in wake of the second wave of COVID-19 virus spread in the country. The deadly virus is continuing its onslaught for the second time after its initial appearance last year. To safeguard their workforce, automakers decided to temporarily halt operations across manufacturing plants, corporate offices, showrooms, and service centers. Service centers will be closed adhering to the local lockdown guidelines. During this time, customers' vehicles with expiring maintenance packages will be unable to avail of services. The extension announced on these packages will certainly help customers to get their issues sorted once the lockdown ends in the country. However, the sales of the cars will continue as Nissan offer a fully digital car buying experience with a virtual reality platform. Customers looking to purchase a car can now virtually experience it right from the comfort of their homes. Nissan offers a complete contactless buying experience as well. Nissan joins the long list of automakers announcing an extension of warranty and service packages in the country. The company is also providing an extension on packages bought by the customers.